Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kriti and I'm um,
One eternity later.
I'm an account manager by profession, a dancer by passion, a foodaholic, makeup and karaoke addict. And by addict, I mean addict. Like every day, I have to hold myself back from not spending a penny on Nicka, and I'm not kidding. So first of all, I'm going to thank each and every one of you who liked my video and subscribed to my channel. As we say, no number is less, which is all lies, but honestly, be it 10 likes, 50 likes, I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for liking. For the new people on my channel and they're wondering what I'm talking about, I'm talking about my first video that I made on YouTube, and it's basically about how I do my eyebrow using a Lakme liner. Yes, I'm a weird person and I use Lakme liner rather than, an eyebrow pencil and brow tint. Yes, I'm weird and I've accepted it. Moving into the video, today I'll be reviewing the Nicka K9, or is it Nicka K9? I don't know. But it's an eyeshadow palette which looks like this. It's in the, I was gonna say flavor, but no, it's in the shade Sugar Plum, so all shades of purple. So basically, I want to buy a Huda Beauty palette, but I am too scared right now because I'm a beginner myself and I do not want to invest 2,450 on a stupid eyeshadow palette. It is not stupid, I love it. I'm gonna take that back, but I just wanna, really like start with like basic eyeshadow palettes and then move my way up and earn it. So yeah, let's get started. Also, as you can see, I've already done the base of my makeup because I didn't want to waste time. The things that I've not done are my eyes, my blush, my lips, because I want to see how my eyes turn out, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. So getting started with this, I'm going to quickly show you how it comes. So decent colors. I'm not going to do swatches because I'm not good at it, so well, haha. To start with, I have taken this round fluffy brush which I'm going to use the dark lavender color, which is the darkest over here. I'm going to take it on the round brush and I'm going to slightly dust it because there's a lot of residue that's left over, and I'm going to make it on my crease line. So now that you're happy with creating that crease on the outer part of it, I'm going to start slowly filling this area with it. Gonna fill my inner eyelids corner. And move outside with it. So what I've done is that I've made my inner side lighter, and then I'm gonna work on creating that transition from light to dark. Yay! So once I've created a smoky effect going inside, so I'm gonna take a smaller tip brush and quickly run it through the gold that I have on this, and which is a shimmer gold, so I don't want to overuse, and I want to use it on my inner corner right here. win. Always use concealer as a base. I think it's really helping me right now. This part is still fine. I'm still worried about highlighter on my nose tip. Gosh, I love highlighter. So this is the final look, you guys. To complete this look, I'm going to be using this mauve color by NYX Soft Cream Matte, and honestly I think I'm on the 20th lip gloss. It is amazing. NYX, I love you. I love you. And not just this, but my setting spray is on the way. Nicka's taking a while to deliver, but yes, I'm just going to finish this look with the lipstick. So I hope you guys liked my video, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you love this video, then please subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to plan a video every Wednesdays and Fridays for you guys. So stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching through this entire video. Bye bye.